We keep on close toes. Every time I see you, I die little more. Solo moments that we still are getting force. You'll never be enough. It's obvious you're meant for me. Everything should be, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm in so deep, with I never saw it. Oh, my face, I will notice. We got a lot that is more lot. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I catch you on a Tesla? I wish I could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. When you're with hun, do you call him ma'am? Like you doing, you're with me. Thought it feel the same. Would you leave if I was ready to sweat or down? Or would you play and safe and stay? Boy, you know this. We got a love that is honest. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I catch you on a Tesla? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. And nobody knows. Ami samas, baby. I don't wanna hate you so way. Title on the father ever make it. I don't fit for that day. Someday. Why can't I hurt you in the street? Why can't I kiss you on a Tesla? I wish we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Of you. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I catch to one of this floor? I wish we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Why can't I say that I'm in love? I wanna sound it from the booster, baby. I wish we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Pew! Why can't we be like that? Wish we could be like that. Pew! By Mr. W. Gitu deh. Oke, akapelanya udah selesai dinyanyiin dan ya ini kan hanya sekedar menghibur isi waktu doang gitu kan, jadi jangan terlalu gimana gitu. Oke, you understand? Yes, bye Mr. W. Not to say I find a stranger calling up my night. Hello, feeling you will feel so bright, and he's come with me now, but it's not you. It's now you. It will never be you. But it's now you. He's now you. He will never be you. suaraku nyambung apa enggak? Bisa jadi apa enggak?
Bisa jadi, bisa jadi.
For the dark and my mistakes, for messages I never got to make. All the things I wanna talk about, how to say it to myself. Went to time once again, and it's now I can see just where a friend. For you made it in the war so.